Hi everyone, welcome to Weird for Beauty, weirdforbeauty.com. Be sure to follow and like and subscribe and all those wonderful things. Today I'm going to show you my new Ipsy bag. I really feel that I struck Ipsy gold this month. August 2018 Ipsy bag is so cute. First of all, it's a really cute canvasy bag. It's yellow and orange, and I'm going to show you what I got, and then I'm going to do a full face using mostly my Ipsy products. Pretty much everything will be Ipsy except like mascara. Okay, first of all, we got a beautiful Pixie blush in Peach Honey. So cute. I love Pixie products. We got a TonyMoly Black Tea London Classic Serum. So this is a great antioxidant serum. It's got a whole bunch of wonderful ingredients in it. Ooh, this is really good. We have a Bang Beauty palette here, which I cannot wait to show you. Bang Beauty Smoky Eye Palette, so cute. I also received COOLA Organic BB Cream. This is SPF 30 BB Cream, and it looks really nice. I'm gonna put this on today. And the big kahuna, Huda Beauty Liquid Matte liquid lipstick from Huda. Cannot wait to try this. This has really good reviews. All right, let's begin. First, I'm gonna use my COOLA BB Cream. And with that, I'll be using my new brush from Sephora. This is a number 94 brush that you can use with liquid or powder foundation. It's so soft. It has these little outer bristles that are really big, and they are calling this the Pro Core Diffuser, number 94. So this is the organic COOLA BB Cream in golden. It might be too dark for me, we'll see. I'm loving my new brush, and I'm loving this BB cream. Of course, it's not full coverage, so it's blending in really nicely, taking away redness, and looking pretty good. It's pretty shiny though. I will be having to use some setting powder on this. Okay, I'm going to put on a little eyelid primer. This is from Sephora. This is not part of my Ipsy bag. So I'm going to use the Bang Beauty eyeshadow in my eyebrows to see if that works. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a little brush here and take some of the dark matte color and put it in my brow. Okay, that actually worked really well. We'll see if it stays. Now I'm going to use my finger to put on some of this beautiful smoky eye palette. I'm putting kind of a medium brown base here to start. It's really creamy, not a lot of fallout, so good job, Bang Beauty. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put some of this Ipsy setting powder on top of the BB cream because the BB cream is a bit shiny. So we're just gonna tone it down a little bit. There's SPF in both the BB cream and the IT powder, so this is great. Yay! Now I'm going to use another product from the Ipsy bag. This is the Pixie by Petra Peach Honey Blush. So I cannot wait to do this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add on a light layer of mascara. This is just a very basic makeup look today using 90% Ipsy products. And now it's time to try Huda Beauty's Liquid Matte Lipstick. Yes, this is the star product of the Ipsy bag this month, if you ask me. Wow, it glides on so smooth. It smells like Kahlua, which is my favorite. I can't believe how liquidy it is. Very liquid. This is definitely one that you would like to have a lip liner with, but I was trying to be minimal today and only use Ipsy products. And that's my final all Ipsy bag product look for the day.